Hello students, welcome to the Schooling Hub. Today we will do 5th chapter of Algebra unit, that is indices. Before starting, please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. We have 8th question, prove. First part is under root x power minus 1 into y multiplied by under root y power minus 1 z multiplied by under root z power minus 1 x is equal to y. We need to prove that this is equal to 1. Under root. We know under root can also be written in the form of power. X raised to power minus 1 y raised to power 1 by 2 into. Similarly, we will write all the under roots in the form of power. Now we will multiply these parts within the bracket. X raised to power minus 1 by 2 into y raised to power 1 by 2 multiply by y raised to power minus 1 by 2 z raised to power 1 by 2 z raised to power minus 1 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2. Now this term has negative power. This means when we will write this term in the form of division, then the power will become positive. Hence we will write y raised to power 1 by 2 divided by x raised to power 1 by 2 multiply by z raised to power 1 by 2. We have negative power of y. Hence we will write y 1 by 2. Here we have negative power of z divided by z raised to power 1 by 2. Now we can see that x raised to power 1 by 2, x raised to power 1 by 2 is getting cancelled. Y raised to power 1 by 2, y raised to power 1 by 2 is cancelled. Z and z raised to power 1 by 2 is cancelled. Hence this is equal to 1. And that is what we have to prove, that this is equal to 1. We have next part of 8th question. X raised to power m by x raised to power n whole power l multiplied x raised to power n by x raised to power l whole power m multiplied x raised to power l by x raised to power m whole power n is equal to 1. We need to prove this. First of all, we will write these terms in the multiplication form. X raised to power m into x raised to power minus n, because we are writing this in multiplication. X raised to power n, x raised to power minus l whole power m, x raised to power l, x raised to power minus m whole power n is equal to 1. We will multiply these parts within the bracket. X raised to power ml, x raised to power minus nl, x raised to power nm, x raised to power minus lm, x raised to power ln, x raised to power minus mn. Now we know that coefficient x is similar in all terms. Hence we will take coefficient x and powers will get added. Plus nm minus lm plus ln minus mn. Now if we see positive ml, negative ml cancelled, minus nl plus nl cancelled, plus nm minus mn cancelled. Hence we have x raised to power 0 and we have red loss, that is x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. We have C part, prove AB under root x raised to power a by x raised to power b into x raised to power bx raised to power c under root bc into x raised to power c by x raised to power a under root ca is equal to 1. First of all, we will write all these under roots in the form of powers. X raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. Under root AB can be written as 1 upon AB into x raised to power b divided by x raised to power c power will be 1 by bc into x raised to power c divided by x raised to power a. Power is 1 by ca, that is equal to 1. Now we will multiply these terms within x raised to power a, multiply by 1 upon ab, divide by x raised to power b, multiply 1 upon ab, whole bracket, multiplied by x raised to power b, multiply 1 upon bc, divide by x raised to power c, multiplied by 1 upon bc, multiplied by x raised to power c, multiply 1 upon ca, divided by x raised to power a, multiply 1 upon ca. Now a cancel, b cancelled, b cancelled, c cancelled, c cancelled, a cancelled. Now we have x raised to power 1 upon b, divided by x raised to power 1 upon a, x raised to power 1 upon c, divided by x raised to power 1 upon b, x raised to power 1 by a by x raised to power 1 by c. Now we can see x raised to power 1 by c, x raised to power 1 by c cancelled, x raised to power 1 by b, x raised to power 1 by b cancelled, x raised to power 1 by x raised to power 1 by cancelled. Hence this is equal to 1. Hence proved. We have 9th question, a part. If a raised to power x is equal to b, b raised to power y is equal to c, c raised to power z is a, then we have to prove that x, y, z is equal to 1. First of all, we will take one term. We have a, that is equal to c raised to power z. Whereas we have given c, that is b raised to power y. We have c, that is equal to b raised to power y. We will put this value of c here. Hence a is equal to b raised to power y whole power z. Hence a क्या हो जाएगा, b raised to power yz. Now value of b is given as a raised to power x, that is we have b that is equal to a raised to power x. Hence a is equal to, value of b is a raised to power x into power yz. A that is equal to a raised to power x, y, z. Coefficients are similar. Parts must be equal. Here power of a is 1. Powers must be equal, that is x, y, z is equal to 1. That is what we have to prove, that x, y, z is equal to 1. Hence here it is proved. We have b part of our 9th question. If xy raised to power p minus 1 is a, xy power q minus 1 is b, and xy power r minus 1 is c. We have to prove that a raised to power q minus r into b raised to power r minus p into c raised to power p minus q is equal to 1. First we have a raised to power q minus r. Value of a is given, xy y raised to power p minus 1. xy p minus 1 whole power we have is q minus r. We will multiply the power within the bracket x raised to power q minus r, y raised to power p minus 1 into q minus r. This will be equal to x raised to power q minus r into y raised to power pq minus pr minus q plus r. Similarly, next we have b raised to power r minus p. Value of b is given, x y raised to power q minus 1, x y raised to power q minus 1 whole power we have r minus p, that is equal to x raised to power r minus p, y raised to power q minus 1 into r minus p, that is equal to x raised to power r minus p y raised to power qr minus pq minus r plus p. Next we have c raised to power p minus q. We have value of c x y raised to power r minus 1. X y raised to power r minus 1 whole power we have p minus q, that is equal to x raised to power will be p minus q into y raised to power r minus 1 into p minus q. Hence that is equal to x power p minus q into power of y will be pr minus, this will be qr minus p plus q. Now we have a q minus r multiply b r minus p multiply c p minus r, means these three are in multiply. Hence the values we have obtained will be multiplied. Value for a q minus r is x q minus r into y pq minus pr minus q plus r. Value of b is x raised to power r minus p y raised to power qr minus pq minus r plus p. Value for c p minus q is x p minus q into y pr minus qr minus p plus q. We have x, x, x. Similar coefficient, powers will be added. Q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Similarly, similar coefficient y, hence powers of y will be added. pq minus pr minus q plus r plus qr minus pq minus r plus p plus pr minus qr minus p plus q. Now we have plus q minus q, minus r plus r, minus p plus p, hence x raised to power 0 into plus pq minus pq minus pr plus pr minus q plus q plus r minus r plus qr minus qr plus p minus p. Hence y raised to power 0. X raised to power 0 1 multiplied by y raised to power 0 1, that is equal to 1. Hence it is proved. We have 10th question. Solve for x. A part is 0.2 raised to power 2x minus 1, that is equal to 1. We need to find the power of x. We know that if x has power 0, x raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Now here we have 0.2 raised to power 2x minus 1, that is equal to x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Here x can be any term. Let that here x is equal to 0.2 raised to power 0. 0.2 raised to power 0 will be equal to 1. So 1 can be written like this. Now coefficients are similar, hence power will be equal. 2x minus 1, that will be equal to 0. This 2x will be equal to 1. X will be equal to 1 by 2. Hence value for x is 1 by 2. We have second part of this question. Q divided by P whole power 1 minus 2x, that is equal to under root P divided by Q. We have to find the value of x here. We have Q divided by P raised to power 1 minus 2x, that is equal to P by Q under root. Under root can also be written in the form of power. Hence P by Q power is 1 by 2. Q by P raised to power 1 minus 2x, that is equal to P by Q can be written as Q by P, but the power will become negative. That will be minus 1 by 2. Coefficients are similar, powers will be equal. 1 minus 2x, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. And by solving this, we will get the value of x, that will be equal to 3 by 4. We have next part of this question. We have 2 raised to power 3 bracket 5 raised to power 0 plus 3 raised to power 2x, that is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 by 27. We have to find the value of x. We have 2 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 plus 3 raised to power 2x, that is equal to 8 is multiplied by 27. 8 is multiplied by 27, but value of 27 will be minus 1 power, because this is multiplied plus 8. We will multiply 2 raised to power 3 within the bracket. 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2x, that is equal to 8. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. 27 can be written as 3 raised to power minus 3, because we have power minus 1, plus 8 is written as 2 raised to power 3. We have 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2x. This 2 raised to power 3 will be taken to the another side. 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power minus 3 plus 2 raised to power 3. This on this side is positive, on the second side this will become negative. Positive 2 raised to power minus 2 raised to power 3, negative 2 raised to power 3 will be cancelled. 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2x, that is equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 3. This will also be cancelled. We have similar coefficients 3. Hence power will be equal, 2x will be equal to minus 3. Hence value of x is minus 3 by 2. We have next part of this question. Under root 3 by 5 raised to power 1 minus 2x, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 7 divided by 27. First of all, we will write under root in the form of power. That will be 3 by 5 raised to power 1 minus 2x, whole power will be 1 by 2 equal to 27 will be multiplied by 4 and 17 will be added. That will be equal to 125 divided by 27. Power will be multiplied within the bracket parts. 3 divided by 5 raised to power 1 by 2 minus x, that is equal to 125 is the cube of 5 and 27 is the cube of 3. 3 by 5 power 1 by 2 minus x, that is equal to 5 divided by 3 whole power 3. Here we have 3 by 5 raised to power 1 by 2 minus x, that is equal to 5 by 3 can be written as 3 by 5 and the power will become negative, that is minus 3. Now the coefficients are similar here, hence power must be equal, that is 1 by 2 minus x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3. We will take 2 as the LCM. 1 plus 6. Hence x is equal to 7 by 2. We have 11th question. Solve for x. A part is 3 raised to power 4x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 9 raised to power x plus 1. Here we have 3 raised to power 4x plus 1, that is equal to 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2 because 9 is the square of 3 raised to power x plus 1. 3 raised to power 4x plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3 whole square can be written as 3 raised to power minus 2 whole power is x plus 1. 3 raised to power 4x plus 1, that is equal to this power and this power will be multiplied, 3 raised to power minus 2x minus 2. Now coefficients are similar, powers will be equal. 4x plus 1 is equal to minus 2x minus 2. 4x plus 2x is equal to minus 2 minus 1. 4x plus 2x, 6x, that is equal to minus 3. X will be equal to minus 3 divided by 6. This is 1, 2. Hence x is equal to minus 1 by 2. We have second part of 11th question. 4 raised to power x minus 1 multiplied by 0.5 raised to power 3 minus 2x, that is equal to 1 by 8 raised to power x. 4 is the square of 2. 2 raised to power 2 whole power we have x minus 1 into 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 whole power we have 3 minus 2x, that is equal to 1 by 8 is written as 2 raised to power 3 whole power x. 5, 1, 2. 2 raised to power 2x minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 can be written as 2 raised to power minus 1 whole power we have 3 minus 2x, that is equal to 1 by 2 raised to power 3 is written as 2 raised to power minus 3 whole power x. We have 2 raised to power 2x minus 2 into 2 raised to power 2x minus 3, that is equal to 2 raised to power minus 3x. Coefficients are similar, that is 2. Hence powers must be equal, that means 2x minus 2. These both 2 are in multiplication, hence these powers will be added and will be equal to this power. 2x minus 2 plus 2x minus 3, that is equal to minus 3x. We have 4x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, that is equal to minus 3x. 4x plus 3x will be equal to 5. 4x plus 3x, 7x is equal to 5. Hence value of x is equal to 5 by 7. We have 12 questions. Solve for x and y. A part is 25 raised to power x is equal to 5 raised to power y minus 1 and 32 raised to power y is equal to 4 into 8 raised to power x. First of all, we have this equation. 25 raised to power x is equal to 5 raised to power y minus 1. 25 can be written as square of 5 raised to power x, that is equal to 5 raised to power y minus 1. 5 raised to power 2x, that is equal to 5 raised to power y minus 1. We have similar coefficients. Powers will be equal. 2x is equal to y minus 1. 1 will be added to the another side. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now we will take this second equation, that is 32 raised to power y, that is equal to 48 into 8 raised to power x. 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5 whole power we have y, that is equal to 4. 4 is the square of 2 multiplied by 8 is the cube of 2 whole power x. This is 2 raised to power 5y, that is equal to 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3x. 2 raised to power 5y, that is equal to 2 raised to power multiplication, hence powers will be added, that is 2 plus 3x. Coefficients are similar, powers will be equal. 5y is equal to 2 plus 3x. Now we have two equations. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. We have equation 1, that is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now we will put value of y. Value of y, that is 2x plus 1 in equation second. In equation second. Second equation we have 5y, that is equal to 2 plus 3x. 5 into value of y is 2x plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 3x. 5 multiplied by 2x will be 10x plus 5, that is equal to 2 plus 3x. 3x will be minus in this side 2 minus 5. This is 7x, that is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 7. This is our value of x. Now we have from equation 1. From equation number 1, we have y, that is equal to 2x plus 1. Y is equal to 2 into value of x we have now, that is minus 3 by 7. 2 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1. Hence y is equal to minus 6 by 7 plus 1. LCM will be 7 minus 6 plus 7, that is equal to 1 by 7. Hence value of x is minus 3 by 7 and value of y is 1 by 7. We have next part of 12th question. 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to under root 32 whole power y and 81 raised to power 4 minus x by 2 minus 27 raised to power y is equal to 0. We need to solve for x and y. First of all, we will take this equation. Here we have 2 raised to power x plus 1, that is equal to under root. Under root can be written in the form of power, that is 1 by 2 raised to power y. 2 raised to power x plus 1. 32 can also be written as 2 raised to power 5 into the power 1 by 2 whole power y. 2 raised to power x plus 1 will be equal to 2 raised to power 5 y by 2, because this will be also be multiplied with y. Now we have similar coefficients, hence x plus 1 will be equal to 5 divided by 2 into y. If we will take here x, x will be equal to 5 divided by 2y minus 1. Now we will take this second equation. We have 81 4 minus x divided by 2 minus 27 raised to power y is equal to 0. 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4 whole power. Here in the power we will take 2 as the LCM and here we will have 8 minus x. Minus 27 can be written as 3 the cube whole power y is equal to 0. 3 raised to power 4 multiply by 8 minus x divided by 2 minus 3 raised to power 3y is equal to 0. 2 या 4. The 3 raised to power 16 minus 2x minus 3 raised to power 3y is equal to 0. this term is negative, on the other side this term will be positive. 16 minus 2x, that is equal to 3 raised to power 3y. We have similar coefficients, hence 16 minus 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 3y. Now this is our first equation and this is our second equation. From first equation we have value of x, hence we will put value of x from equation number 1 into equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 16 minus 2 into x. X value we have 5 by 2y minus 1, that is equal to 3y. We have 16 minus, we will multiply by 2 in the bracket, minus 5y plus 2, that is equal to y. We have 16 minus 5y. On the other side will become plus 5y. So here we have plus 2, that is equal to 3y plus 5y. 18, that is equal to 8y. Hence value of y, that is equal to 18 divided by 8, that is equal to 9 by 4. Now we will put value of y in equation number 1. Equation number 1 we have x is equal to 5 divided by 2y minus 1. Hence x is equal to 5 divided by 2 into value of y, 9 by 4 minus 1. X is equal to 45 divided by 8 minus 1. We will take 8 as the LCM. 45 minus 8, that is equal to 37 divided by 8. Hence value for x is 37 divided by 8 and value for y is 9 by 4. So students, today we have completed our indices chapter. If you have any doubt, do let us know in the comment section, else you can DM us your doubt on our Instagram page. Our Instagram account link will be provided in the description. Please do like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.